Every day, the sun rises and everything is renewed. Cities, farmland, factories, and more. Challenges and surprises always go hand in hand. You need a powerful aerial assistant to help you more safely and efficiently complete various challenges in different applications and achieve more unknown possibilities. Combined with extensive market demand, profound research and development ability, GDU Saga came out strongly. GDU Saga is a powerful, lightweight industrial UAV. The powerful fusion capability of its open platform through modular interface can easily switch between different payloads. It can perfectly realize multi-scenario application, covering professional applications of energy security, public safety, infrastructure construction, media, and other industries. With 4K, 10x, 30x, and other HD optical cameras, you can explore every aspect in great detail while reducing the operational error rate. The built-in remote HD image transmission module can realize an HD image transmission of up to 10 kilometers, allowing you to easily complete any task safely. Equipped with an HD infrared camera, the GDU Saga can take high-precision temperature measurements. The infrared imaging quality taken is far better than industry standards. By presenting an infrared view of temperature difference, equipment errors can be quickly locked for timely repair. Built with an ultrasonic and optical flow positioning system, the GDU Saga can easily and accurately hover, greatly reducing survey errors. The GDU Saga adopts an accurate binocular intelligent obstacle avoidance system to realize obstacle perception, as well as supporting multiple intelligent control modes such as automatic return and route planning, which guarantees a safer flight in narrow and complex operating environments. The maximum flight time of the GDU Saga is 39 minutes. Once folded, the whole machine only takes up the space equivalent to an A4 size of paper. It is portable, convenient, and intelligent for individual operation, making industrial applications more simple and efficient. Additionally, the GDU Saga has an open SDK, which can integrate with your specific needs, open a variety of intelligent load interfaces. Customized software UI design and specific app functions, provide a customized appearance, and empower your independent brands so that your industrial UAV is truly exclusive. With its powerful flight capability, multiple payloads, and exclusive and open customization service, GDU Saga is committed to becoming your right-hand man for industrial drone applications and will lead the industry into the era of intelligent portability.